What's up, guys? Coming back at you with another vlog. How's the New Year's? Happy New Year's to you. Happy New Year's to your family. Hope you got what you wanted for Christmas, and you know, let's hope this New Year's a lot better. We'll just see it. But anyways, what we're doing today is lower control arms. And the reason I'm doing that, I blew my lower control arms 3 times in a year, so I'm tired of blowing lower control arms. So Facebook Marketplace, dude, don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace guy was selling lower control arms and compression rods for 350Z, with the energy bushings already installed. So instead of buying them new, they just pay $50 for both. These bushing and stock ones, these fat bushings, are so crazy, and apparently it makes a world of difference. But of course I do a side by side when I get the other one off. I'm gonna start from here, get this ball joint out, work all the way to coilover and link, then to the subframe. And it's, like I said before, it should be simple, but we'll see. We'll see if it is or not. Let's get to it. It's the second day. Yes, this project took a lot longer than I expected it to. One day for the passenger, now we're on the driver's side, and yo, bent subframes are like the worst. Low, you know, my low car people know how it is. But let's show you. Let's show you what we done. This is where I'm at currently with the driver's side. Yo, that bent part right there, oh, it caused me so much trouble. Literally a couple hours just trying to get this in. It was just stupid. But now we got it in. Now we just got to put everything back together. So let's go. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Next video, hope we have more stuff to do. Maybe we'll check up on Fiend's 240 and Brian's E30. But thanks for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do all that. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you.
No.